All right, good morning, you guys. We didn't take any real trades today, just a practice trade. Um, I wanted to test this after we inversed, I believe. We inversed this 5 minute, and once we did that, I wanted to target these highs, but with the volume we had, I wanted to target a little higher, and I kind of had a perfect take profit. But we just tested that position. We then had this 15 minute right here that I think most of you probably took. It was this 15 minute, and it lined up perfectly with a 5 minute as well, I believe. Maybe not. I guess you can count these little baby gaps. But probably should have got in on that. Would have entered right around here, and this would have been our stop loss because this was an hourly fair value gap as well. We come down here, right here. As you can see, we wicked into it and then just took off from it. But yeah, no. Was looking for shorts. This probably would have been a great entry right around here, actually. Definitely getting to these lows. I think this is actually the accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution to the downside. I don't know much about that, but I think that's what that is right here. As you guys can see, I didn't take anything because just look at this. For the last 30 minutes, we've done nothing. So this should come out and take these lows. This is what I was waiting for. But I'm not going to force anything. We missed it. I didn't even realize it was happening while I was recording this. But yeah, no trades today. We're still taking it careful with this account because I only have $365 a drawdown. I was looking for a nice trade. I'm only going to be trading 2 micros to build a buffer again. And that's why, even though this trade is kind of playing out right now, it's better for me not to trade on a day when the charts look like this. We don't really know what's going to happen. And it looks like ES just made equal lows. Could consider this an S&T almost. But yeah, no. Sorry for not posting the last couple days of the week. I've just kind of been studying more than actually trading. Great rejection off that 1 minute gap. But yeah, I think what I'm going to start doing for you boys is I think I'll start screen recording my trades. Doing something like this and then telling you guys why I entered. And then I think I am going to start a TikTok soon, but we'll see. I'll be honest, I'm just a little nervous to go to YouTube because the fact I'm not profitable yet. And I don't think my mental needs a bunch of people talking shit online. So we'll see what happens. But really trying to lock in and develop a strategy. I keep breaking my rules. I'm just being very undisciplined. So I need to fix some stuff still. But we're being smart. This is good for me not taking a trade today. It's good for my mental, good for my strategy because we didn't see anything we liked. So really unfortunate that this didn't come out and at least take this low. It's going to reverse. This is just one of those things where it's like, wow. We kind of swept this internal high, changed state right here, and then we just reversed off nothing. We even inversed this 1 minute gap. So that's kind of how today was. Today's going to be, the rest of the week is going to be very volatile. Whoops. Sorry, I was looking at some Pokemon. It's supposed to be a drop today, I think. But rest of the week should be high impact news. I'm excited for these. When it's pre-market, I don't know. I feel like I typically like how the market moves, but rather than it being at 7 and stuff like that. So we'll see how the week goes. but definitely open to trade on these red news days if market isn't too volatile. But yeah, gonna be posting every day this week, no matter what. No more excuses, boys, and I'll see you tomorrow.